He goes by the name FunFul, the comedian.
If una like una clap for me, una no clap for me. No be make cause confusion for country. I be una clap for that senator, e no easy. Small 1 month when he stay for UK, he do show, London story. No be made, they stay 1 year. Baba, I tell him, say, may not your pressure himself don't try. You know if he please everybody. When he thought say he want to go UK, some people say, hi, yeah, you want to see money, take go. The guy go, he come back, the same people gather, say, hi, not even take.
They not like us.
Not be made to relocate. Don't forget about that one. I might leave London story for who go stay there for 1.5 months. Let's talk about the country. Country don't have to. Not be only humans, the thing they affect. Now yesterday night, my spiritual wife asked me for transport. Mama, country now. When last year say which press person? Not be power they take the press person. Who not chop for afternoon and you want to fly for net? Baba. Country now your mate. Now so they send one. You know, they don't look their mirror where they say me cause suck my blood. The wind enter my room to the glory of God that day I know wear shirt. He look me, I look him. He look me, I look him. Small time I say, Baba, me see they eat vegetable. If not be coke when they in my room that they waited the guy for drink. Baba, country now your mate. Oh, thank you very much. Hope say complete. My life now brave, bro. They don't small. Hey, but they don't small. You don't see money, you don't they come. They go downstairs. Always say, Baba. Baba, they tell people, no pressure yourself. My brother, if you don't get money, borrow, not be you start time. That's why they talk to you now, bank, don't they borrow from bank. And I know that last week, I borrow from Pampi. If it is they like, ask Kuda. But even though say you want to borrow, I say so. One guy from my area go borrow money from Lapo to open orphanage home. Till now, enough he pay. Now this money Lapo come pack all the children come out. I'm not clapping noisy. Wow. Thank you very much. Yes, this one senior, this one, 200. About saying that from your mind is premium. What they do on small country don't hard. Thank you very much. You're like a father to me. You shouldn't be behaving like this, so my brother. Country don't hard. Avoid poverty, oh. No say the way you're poor, you can't get peace of mind. Things not they bother you again. Yeah, they shoot stray bullets. Now there you see them. You happen to one of my guys now, hungry, beat and now you see one key safe. Now you put poison for water. Bread, small bread when you get now you don't drink the poison. You know that. The bellet is in a bread and tea. Don't chop they die. You poison fried rice, you die. Poison jollof, you die. You don't poison gari. Your belly is in a salt. Nothing be poverty. Yeah. You don't pour to the end say your bank advising me go pour another bank. I just day one money, get where I broke rich. Before I wake up, my bank don't borrow me money without my notice. Before you know that they come in, hello, this is Access Bank. You see what we send you? Now provoke. What's the meaning of that? Why will you send me money? They say, hey, we know say now you want to pay the problem that dash with dash you.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way.
One night they tell people say country don't hard. For you to know say country don't hard, you don't watch the way Oyibo children till they cry when they born the newborn baby in Nigeria. If you go Oyibo, once the newborn baby, the baby will they cry, you they see the joy. The reason why that baby they cry now because of change of environment. For Nigeria, the way the baby till they scream, you often know say not be just change of environment, change of condition. Now that time I can't know say for heaven, God actually give all the babies choice. Some people choose UK, choose Canada. All of us we do over Sabina, they here today. Now when they all born the newborn baby, the way the baby till they cry, go be like say the baby they say, oh no, I fuck up. Like yesterday we observe Anna. For UBTH, now one newborn baby they cry, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Before you know it, now the baby start to cough. I fuck up. I fuck up. Please, a round of applause for that senator once more. Yes. You know, thank you very much. Yes, it's my father. He loves me so much, but I hate him. I don't like him. He bring people from Lagos, Asaba, lodge them for better hotel. Hotel when he lodge me, if I lock door, TV go off. I go me reception, he excuse me, if I lock door, TV go off. He say, my open now. Not be smarty. That one even good. I don't very lodge hotel for this Bini. I enter my room, I don't see my restroom. I go me reception, excuse me, I can't find my restroom. He say, my way small. Toilet and bedroom of the hotel, the back of the hotel, manager, the bath. Baba, country dad. And they tell people, this is the wrongest time to be kidnapped. No jokes. Those days, if they kidnap person before 24 hours, family don't come. Just fair ransom, pay. You ever they tell they involve the police or say, no, give what belongs to Caesar now. Now last week they kidnapped my landlord Pekin, 10 years old boy. My landlord they beg, please release my child. Now they tell landlord, 100 million. As landlord get 100 million, he say, for last born. From table to table, now planner. Bro, help me pick on. Thank you. Mona wait till now, this one be the joke. Yeah, thank you very much. This I'll give you. Oh yeah, that's not good though. Ah, brother! No jokes, so what they do is small now. They tell people, full don't dare. Everybody do two business. No joke. I tell people, I'm not just a comedian, I donate blood for a living also. Baba, don't look me like that, blood in, and you don't know. I tell you. But I don't stop, Asha. Last person when I donate blood, give. Now last month I hear say the person go do blood. Oh. Baba, thank you very much. You know, saying a ritual money, put another one made for last. Oh, yeah. Now me they do show. Yeah. Well, they don't small. When I not very say the spray, they interrupt the joke. Now this one be the joke. And they tell people, thank you very much. Country don't hard. Fuel don't dare. Now this morning, landlord not get like 10 at 1 gen. Now landlord go meet tenant say one plug phone, tenant say no space. Now landlord provoke, which one be say no space? I know how many sockets I put for this house. Thank you very much. That's my time.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Zaga Impact.
The way you dey excited if you see me, I'm not Didi.